How to record calls automatically in Android. So if you want to record the calls automatically in Android, then you just need to simply open up your settings. Under that, you just need to simply go with the apps, and here you will have an option of system apps. So if you don't have the system apps option, you might have that on the upper right of your screen. Upper right corner, you will have a three dots icon, and you'll be able to have show system apps option. You can go with show system apps and then go with the search, which is on the upper right, and search for call. And here you will have call settings or call management, anything like that. You just need to simply tap on it, and you will have an option of call settings. You just need to simply open the call settings application if you have it on your device, and go with the call recording option. And once you tap on the call recording, then you will have an option of record calls automatically. You can simply toggle the option on. Once you toggle it on, then you will be able to record the calls automatically in your Android phone. So that's it, and if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.